Hello and welcome to the session. Leaning Outcome LO4. Be able to publish websites online. Have you ever wondered how websites go live on the internet? This video explores the essential steps to publish a website online. From domain names to FTP uploads, discover the process that brings your site to life. Domain names save users from entering direct IP addresses. They act like street names, guiding users to the correct online location. Domain names are used for identification and mapping in various networking contexts. For instance, in www.example.com, example is the second-level domain. Remember, domain names are memorable and crucial for navigation. Choosing a hosting provider involves several considerations. Look for pricing, renewal costs, and bandwidth. Storage capacity and security features are equally important. Opt for a provider with a good reputation and customer support. These factors ensure your website runs smoothly and securely. Web hosting comes in different forms: shared, VPS, and dedicated. Shared hosting is cost-effective but shares resources with others. VPS offers more control and resources. Dedicated hosting provides maximum resources and control. Choose based on your website's needs and expected traffic. A domain name acts like your website's address on the internet. Each domain is unique and essential for users to find your site. Purchase a domain through registrars like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Ensure it's easy to remember and relevant to your content. Once purchased, link it to your hosting plan. Migrating your website involves moving files to your server. This process can be complex, so assistance might be needed. Some hosts offer free migration services to ease the transition. Ensure all files are correctly transferred to avoid downtime. Verify the site's functionality post-migration. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is key for uploading website files. It allows file transfers between devices over a network. An FTP client, like FileZilla, facilitates this process. Connect to your server using FTP credentials. Upload your website files to make them accessible online. To publish a website, connect to your server with an FTP client. Use your FTP account username and password for access. Upload files to the HTTP docs directory for public access. Ensure CGI scripts are placed in the CGI bin directory. Close your FTP session once the upload is complete. Security is paramount when choosing a hosting provider. Look for features like DDoS protection and SSL certificates. Secure data centers and monitoring enhance safety. Consider additional security options for sensitive data. Protecting your website builds trust with users. Bandwidth determines data delivery capacity to visitors. Opt for unlimited bandwidth to accommodate traffic spikes. Storage affects how much content you can host. More storage means more text, images, and databases. Balance bandwidth and storage for optimal performance. Hosting costs vary based on features and resources. Initial prices may differ from renewal costs. Budget for both to avoid surprises. Consider cost-effectiveness versus feature availability. A well-priced plan supports growth without overspending. Web publishing involves creating and maintaining online content. It includes building websites and updating pages. A publisher needs development software, internet, and a server. These elements facilitate content delivery to users. Understanding these basics is crucial for online presence. Domain names simplify internet navigation. They map to IP resources for easy access. Acting like street names, they guide users to destinations. Memorable domain names enhance user experience. They are essential for branding and online identity. Setting up an FTP client is straightforward. Download a client like FileZilla from its official site. Configure it with your FTP server address and credentials. Ensure passive mode is enabled if behind a firewall. This setup facilitates secure file transfers. FTP allows multiple users to collaborate on content. Set up additional FTP accounts for team access. Each user can upload and modify files as needed. This approach streamlines teamwork and content updates. Ensure secure credentials for each account. Choosing a web hosting plan requires analysis. Compare resources and costs across providers. Consider your website's traffic and growth potential. A suitable plan balances features with budget. This decision impacts your site's performance and scalability. SSL certificates secure data between servers and clients. They encrypt information, protecting sensitive details. Look for hosting providers offering Let's Encrypt SSL. This feature is crucial for e-commerce and data-sensitive sites. SSL builds trust and enhances security. FTP accounts can be managed for efficient access. Create accounts for different users or projects. Assign permissions based on roles and responsibilities. Regularly update passwords for security. Proper management ensures smooth operations and collaboration. Configuring a web server is vital for hosting. Ensure server settings match website requirements. Regular updates and maintenance are necessary. Proper configuration enhances performance and security. It's a critical step for a stable online presence. FTP issues can disrupt file transfers. Common problems include login failures and connection timeouts. Check credentials and server settings for accuracy. Consult FTP client documentation for troubleshooting tips. Resolving these issues ensures uninterrupted website updates. In conclusion, being able to publish websites online is a crucial step in bringing digital creations to a real audience. The process involves selecting a hosting service, configuring domain settings, uploading files, and ensuring that all site components function correctly once live. Mastering website publishing enables developers to showcase their work, make content accessible to users worldwide, and maintain a professional online presence. Understanding this final stage of web development completes the journey from planning and building a website to successfully launching it on the internet. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.